So, Lizzie doesn't want to come in because it smells kind of dusty in here, but this is the refresh that's being done on one side of our duplex. This was the kitchen. It's like they're redoing the floor there because the subfloor was rotting in the bathroom. There used to be a wall here that was the back wall of the kitchen, and that's the bathroom in there. It's the back door. These windows need replacing. All the drywall's been taken out because the electrical needs to be redone. And the ceiling's been taken out too, as you can see. So a lot of work being done here. You can see down into the crawl space, which is interesting. There's bedroom there, bedroom there. There is hardwood under this carpet, which is cool. We're going to try to use that. Just take the carpet out completely. And put in new drywall, new electrical, new appliances, and rent this thing out again. So yeah, there was a water heater that was in the kitchen, which is kind of odd. We're going to put that in the crawl space. And then there was a washer and dryer that was in the kitchen. We're going to take that and put that in a little cubby back in here, outside the bathroom, in like this little hallway area here. So that should improve things. Yeah, we can go see the outside too. Alright, this is the front of the duplex that faces the road here. This dumpster is not usually here, obviously. The window trim looks pretty bad. That needs to be replaced. And this is the back. The HVAC units are working at the moment, but will probably need to be replaced at some point. And this overhang needs to be redone, and the railing along the steps there needs to be redone. And back there are a couple of mobile homes that at some point are going to completely fall apart, and we're hoping to put some more duplexes in there.
Rip them out.
Hey, here we are, February 7th. It's raining outside, and we're checking out the progress. It looks like they have the subfloor down. That's pretty cool. You can see up into the attic here. And they've done the framing around the bathroom. Looks like they're doing electrical. So that's cool. There's a box there. This is where the washer and dryer are gonna go. They already have the plumbing put in for that. Much better place than the middle of the kitchen.
Yes.
Looks like they got a new shower that they're putting in.
Cool.
And I guess they're leaving the toilet. I guess it was working okay. Windows still need replacing. Looks like they're doing some more electrical work there. Putting in all these blue outlet boxes are new. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Making progress. Can actually walk back into the bedrooms now, whereas before we could not. I wonder if the fans were properly mounted.
Yeah.
It looks like they put some new wood in there next to the box where the fan will be mounted. So my guess is that those were not up to par for mounting a ceiling fan. But they will be now. Does the smell bother you?
No.
It smells really dusty. Which I guess is no surprise.
Because it is really dusty.
It is very dusty. Oh, let's take a peek at the kitchen. Still doing the framing here. Looks like that's new. I guess that's I don't know what that is. Is that a light?
Or over the sink.
Yeah, maybe. I wish I knew more about this stuff. More electrical there and there. Okay. There's one other cabinet up here. I assume they're going to be taking that out.
Mm-hmm.
Taking that out will open up the space quite a bit.
Yeah.
So. Ready to venture back out into the rain?
Sure. Was there a closet here? I don't remember there being a closet.
Maybe
I
not.
missed
Maybe
that
they're
one.
adding that. I don't know. This door opening looks original though.
Yeah.
Maybe there was. I vaguely remember there being a closet on the other side. And wasn't that what gave you the idea to
Yeah. To put the
put the washer and dryer?
Yeah.
Although it looks like they're
Looks like they made it big enough to have side by side,
yeah,
not on top like I was thinking.
which is nice
Yeah.
since maybe the washer and dryer here still works.
Right.
And those are some more cabinets that I guess are going to get thrown away. All right. Third inspection, or fourth? I don't remember how many times we've been out here.
Yeah, me either.
New door. It looks like they had to trim. Well, that siding looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Maybe it was that way when the old door was up. New window. They definitely trimmed to the siding for that, it looks like.
Yeah, well, what did they do to that window? That one's like completely covered up. That was a window there, right?
Yeah, I don't know what they did. I guess we'll find out. All right, time to enter the... It smells better. Yeah, it does.
Oh, they just covered the windows aren't in over there.
Yeah, they took the wall out. Maybe they
Wait,
had
which
some
wall
trouble.
was it that was not attached? This one?
New windows. Yeah, it was this wall that was apparently was not nailed to the ceiling. So when they took the windows out, the whole wall wobbled.
They did a lot of new wood around this one.
Yeah. It's nice looking windows.
Mm-hmm.
And a nice looking rear door.
Oh yeah, except for the gap on the side.
Yeah. Electrical, it's going in. Here's the drywall. Big stack of drywall. They've already started putting it up on the ceiling over there.
Mm-hmm. Is this new or old?
That's new.
Okay.
Yeah. So they've started putting drywall up in here.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
New window here. Shower. This would be the little washer dryer nook. Electrical panel. Very cool.
Yep. This is gonna be nice. I'm excited. All right.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know if this is the old carpet or the new carpet. I guess it's the old carpet.
I thought there was hardwood under it.
There
Yeah,
is.
see, there's hardwood.
Yeah, he said it's going to be difficult to restore the hardwood.
Oh really?
So he's thinking we should just do carpet for now. So.
Well, that carpet looks better than whatever this is. Is this carpet? This isn't.
This is the. Looks like this is the pad that was under the carpet. This
Oh.
or this is the old carpet, maybe. No, this is all padding. So yeah.
Cool.
Let's take a look at the exterior. Old thermostat. HVAC is still good, which is nice. Knock on wood, it will stay that way.
Yeah.
So this is the exterior from the front with the new door. Dumpster, remnants of the old windows and doors, which were terrible. And new windows going in from the outside. It looks like they had to take down some of the siding around the windows. which I will ask about because I'm not sure how they're going to match that. And here's the rear door. And we need to redo that overhang and the banister still. And there's some more new windows along the side here. And the HVAC units, which are ancient, but will hopefully hold out a little while longer. And all this PEX plumbing that they're putting in. And we need to ask about that door too that needs to get fixed. And that's about it. There's Timothy. He wanted to come see the outside too. Do you like it? Oh,
Bless you.
tell us what you really think.